Epson L3210 error guys. Nag-blink yung paper at yung ink na light. Yung status niya dito tingnan natin sa computer anong status. Apprentice maintenance Epson status. Yung kwento ink pad na service required siya guys, dapat itong i-receipt. Gamit tayo ng receiver guys ng pang L3210 na receiver. Ganito lang yung pag-receipt guys. Select lang tayo ng computer name L3210, then okay, then particular adjustment, then with ink pad counter, then click check, then check natin itong tatlong box, pad, ink, then initialize natin guys, then okay, then turn off the printer. Turn off natin printer guys, then click okay, then okay, done. Yun na guys, try natin turn on kung magana ba yung pag-reset. Okay, magana na. Try natin mag-print guys. Test print tayo. Okay, test print tayo guys. Try natin test print. Print test. Okay, nag-print na guys. Ganun lang yung pag-reset ng printer guys. Thank you for watching.